In our last project video, I showed you how to make this really simple fold down desk. Well, in this one, I'm going to show you how to make 3 different phone stands using some of the offcuts. For the first phone stand, I went with a really simple cube design. So I start by measuring and marking out a 65mm square. Using a handsaw, I cut it to length. I could then mark another square, but this time I also marked a diagonal space for where my phone would eventually sit. I first cut the corner piece free and put it to one side. The remainder of the space can be cut and discarded. Now it's just a case of cutting the rest of the square to length. After sanding the pieces to remove any sharp edges, I glued them together with wood glue and super glue. Wood glue is really strong, but it can take quite a while to set, so if you haven't got clamps and you want to speed things up, add a few dabs of super glue as well. That way the super glue will set really quickly, holding the pieces together while the wood glue finally dries. For the second phone stand, I went with kind of a mounting design. This incorporates 2 different angles that you can set your phone to. I marked these out by eye using my phone as a guide. A jigsaw is ideal for cutting the shape out. A handsaw would work fine too. Once it was cut out, I traced round it and cut a second one. These 2 pieces get glued together with wood glue and super glue, making sure that they're flush with each other. The third phone stand is really simple, but it works really well. I marked out roughly a 60mm by 25mm rectangle and added 2 guidelines. I then drilled a 10mm hole between these lines and made cuts with a jigsaw to create a slot. It's much easier to cut the slot first before cutting the rest of the shape out. After sanding the 3 phone stands, they were ready for paint. So there you have it, 3 really simple phone stands made from nothing but offcuts. Who doesn't like making stuff when you got no extra material costs? I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click the subscribe button and then click the little bell icon next to it so you'll get a notification as soon as we upload a new video.